Got a conversion graph between pounds, which is along the x-axis, and euros along the y-axis. Convert £36 into euros. We need to read off the graph, draw a line to indicate it. So it's going up here. We've got 5 little squares between 30 and 40. So it's going up in 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So 32, 34, 36. So I can do a little line going up carefully. And if I read across to here, we're going to get that it is 44 euros because each one of these is a little 2 as well. So again, we've got 5 squares. Convert 400 euros into pounds. That seems a bit trickier because we can't use the graph. So we're going to have to sort of use like something that goes into 400 euros to help us. Now, I would advise doing like quite, it doesn't make sense to do sort of 10 euros because there could be more error here. You want to make it, fairly large. If we had 200, that would be even better. I'm going to go with 100. I think that's a good shout. So 100 euros is going to equal. Okay, actually, it looks like it's halfway between. So I'm going to say it's 83. Okay, you've got to read really carefully. It's going to be £83, and therefore, if I want 400 euros, let's assume that it's going to be 4 times as much. 4 times 83. 4 times 8 is 32, so we're going to get 320. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So it's going to be £332. State an assumption we've made in working out this answer. We assume that it's going to continue as a straight line in this way. So state an assumption. Assume same exchange rate throughout. Whereas in actual fact, if you start exchanging a lot of money, you tend to get a slightly better exchange rate because people are making more kind of because you're exchanging a lot, then it makes sense to kind of give you a bit more out of it. Explain how the graph shows that the number of euros is directly proportional to the number of pounds. Well, we have a constant gradient. That's something that's needed for proportion, but also it goes through the origin. Goes through the origin. I know I've not really written in sentences here, but they just want the keywords written down.